Namaskar and welcome back to DesignCafe Homes. Today we have joined you from the city of joy, Kolkata. This is your host Ipshita Dasgupta and I'm going to show you a beautifully crafted 3 BHK home interiors designed by one of our most creative designers, Aloke Sahani. Come, let's watch. What makes a house feel like a home? For some, it's colors, for others, it's light. But for Soumik and Esha, it has always been about the calm and elegance, as every corner of this property reflects their own personality, with a touch of elegance. Alok, this space feels so elegant and peaceful. I really love how the colors have come out. I remember Soumik sir being very specific about the vibe of this entire area. So what was your design vision here?
Soumik sir really wanted his living room feel like calm, peaceful and larger. So he really wanted to use soft pastel colors with moldings to give the wall bigger look, and also storage part of the shoe unit. So we are not allowed to keep the shoe unit outside of this living room.
Right.
So we have to incorporate in the shoe unit in this interior. So we are trying to provide not as a shoe unit typically, we provide as a storage console unit.
Right.
In upper portion, we will add a touch of bevel mirror to feel bigger and more elegant.
Right, and it makes the area more Vastu-compliant.
Yes.
That's great. Wow, so this U-shaped kitchen is sleek and warm with the provision of so much of storage, right? Okay, so the story behind this is initially it was a parallel kitchen and now we have converted it to an U-shaped kitchen so that we can provide more storage to the client, right? Now we have used beige high gloss laminates in the base and wall, and we have created a contrast with the help of black tinted glass and black edge profile handles. We have used a black granite countertop here along with Moroccan tiles, which has created a beautiful contrast between the wall unit and the countertop. Also, we have used the appliances in black in color, matching the edge profile handles and the overall theme of the kitchen. So this master bedroom is my favorite part of the entire house. Starting from the fabric padded headboard from the floor to the ceiling, creating a contrast with the wooden paneling on both the sides, this exudes luxury and elegance. Just on the side, we have this floor to ceiling wardrobe with a cream laminate and tinted mirror in the center. Coming to the TV unit, the TV unit has been created with a paneling behind to hide the wires of the TV, since this wall has been an RCC wall, coupled with a flap down shutter with golden accent. So Alok, this room feels straight out of luxury. I really love how it has come out to be. So what was your thought process behind this bedroom?
So as you can see, we have used lots of paneling over the bed back side.
Right.
So actually the entire floor is made by RCC brickwork.
Okay.
So here we are not allowed to cutting for the electrical wiring.
Correct.
So we use entire bed black paneling with pipe paneling, and over on it we use fluted louvers and floor ceiling full height upholstery.
Great, great. And also I love how you have used the golden tea putty on both the sides
Yes.
of it, creating a striking effect
Yes.
between the both. That's
So
great.
add a little touch of elegance, we add this gold putty.
That's great. Alok, so the guest bedroom looks fabulous. It has great elements into it. It also acts as a home office setup, right? So can you explain a bit more about
So we play little more here. We add a texture finish and a high gloss finish over a single wardrobe with an angular cut inserter.
Okay, right. So this home, like every other DesignCafe home, has been made in German quality machinery under 400 plus design experts and 20% extra storage space. So for example, if you look at this wall had AC pipes behind. So we have done a paneling here, and also we have created a broom pull-out behind the paneling to hide all your utility related stuffs here. So this has been such a refreshing tour. Every corner of this home tells a story. Great job on designing this home, Alok.
Thank you. We not only just wanted to make this home look good, but also feel good.
And that's the magic of great interior designing. If you want to get your dream home come to reality, visit your nearest DesignCafe experience centers. You can also book a free consultation by visiting our website at designcafe.com. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
and share this video with someone who loves elegant and classy interiors. Until next time, this is Ipshita Dasgupta
This is Aloke Sahani.
signing off from Kolkata. Abar dekha hobe.
আবার দেখা হবে।